We don't see Belga at the bench. Do you see him?
Right now, we don't. And Doc, yung isa pa nating napansin kanina, no, wala rin siya during the warm-ups. This game, brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle.
They have Pomferrada, they have Santis, Antillan. They got some players there, and that's why maybe Norbert Torres is starting for them.
That's right. And starting for them in terms of
Match up well against him, no?
Is it a matter, Doc, of pamilyar yung mga veterano ng Rain or Shine sa sistema ni Coach Cheng?
I think that's one. I don't think they have anything personal. 3 games, including this one. They're 3 and 4. If they don't get to 5, if they only get 4, you know, they might be having to figure in a playoff as 4 teams. No? This is a tough tournament.
Absolutely. At napakabilis dahil we have these teams play 3 sometimes for them because one of the important guys as Bobon has been on fire here in the first quarter.
He already has 7 points in the ball game. And remember the first ng Batak, he probably said, I should be taking more shots. You guys have been missing all over the place.
Yeah, with Mocon, tulad na nabanggit natin as another NLEX response.
That's helping. That's the favorite shot of Igalo, but he missed that one.
But guess who gets the rebound? It's Soyud again! And 2 more points on the put.
Good defense by McDaniels against JB Mocon.
NLEX up by 2, up by 5 now after that panya. That's right. Ganda pa naman na simula ng Rain or Shine, but they have fizzled out. Well, now, another make for them. Rain or Shine, they have already taken 18 attempts in 7 minutes of this game.
Well, you like that because a team that's doing good rebounding, and look what happens. Ng Batak now hits back-to-back.
Ang bigat kasi doon, yung huling laro, Doc, dalawa agad for Bo when he got ejected.
Maybe it should be 1/2 and 1, no? So maybe like close to 6. No? But then, of course, better to serve it now. Kind of discipline and character that you have.
That's absolutely correct. And, you know, to have to shift as not to master your craft in the position na ma-assign sa'yo.
Correct.
But then, syempre, yun nga. Okay, kailangan ko pala mag-adjust. Magiging 3 na ako o magiging 2.
They don't know what to expect. Hindi daw nga nila alam who among the family members will sit behind each other's benches. Kung sino ang kampi kanino. They just know that they both want to.
The tape wherein you and I are working so they can forever enjoy this one. But we better ask Yeng to fill in Matt in a little while. Hindi pa na fill din.
Pero,
Put the ball on the floor and get to the basket.
Nieto. That's Mike. And credit
Yan, that might have been a offensive goaltending violation. A nice play.
Jericho Cruz, who has played spectacular basketball dun sa huling 2 laro ng NLEX, continue.
They've really done well. Suerte has done well. Bulanadi has done well.
Travis Jackson with a 3-pointer.
Advantage already for them. Although the percentages in field goal is higher for the NLEX Road Warriors, nakakadalawang ganyan becomes a little bit stronger, no? Santillan with a 3-point shot.
And pasok na naman!
Yeah, 7 robbering them. Now 3-on-2 situation, 3-on-1, layup.
Ang ganda naman ang peke doon ni Borboran. Pero yun nga, sumobra. But again, Doc, yung effort nila,
an offensive rebound.
they have 17 rebounds, Doc,
They're
right
working
now.
hard. They're working hard.
Siyam doon, more than half of that. 9 of those rebounds on the offensive end. Pero that, on the run naman itong NLEX, they do get a stop. Nieto. Papunta kay Soyud. Raul Soyud has been playing well.
Yeah.
Will pick up his dribble. Bigay yung kay KJ. It's import versus import. McDaniel shoots from outside. Something he can do quite well.
Let the rain fall.
Will pick up his dribble. Bigay yung kay KJ. It's import versus import. McDaniel shoots from outside. Something he can do quite well.
Let the rain fall. Yeah, and then you're talking about some of the other guys that are coming in, no? We don't know, no?
Walker.
This one also is speaking.
Yeah.
Yun lang nga ang nice sprinkling of people. Of course, we expect that to be a little bit more later on when Ginebra goes up against the Blackwater Bossing.
It's our first time, well, the first week of the PBA.
That he does love the Philippines. He's decided to. Oh, that's a nice entry pass. That's traveling, and that's very clear. And
Titingnan mo kasi yung banggaan, yung kung may foul upstairs. Bocon from outside. The three-pointers still falling para sa Raynor Shine.
3 or 4, kaya parating may rebound pa eh. Oh, nice block upstairs. Pero ayak pa rin. Hindi umaayaw sa trabaho ang the NLEX Road Warriors have not been present. You're talking about Alas. And look at Nilay ng Bata. You're talking about Alas, you know, the balls. 20-point lead right now with 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. There we go again.
Nambata is just putting in light work.
The new team. You're gonna congratulate him for what?
Medyo eventful week, Doc, para kay Justin.
Yeah. Actually, it's a very good pick.
As a touch from outside, parang si Chua did.
Correct. He can shoot also from 3-point territory.
And that guy can shoot, Chris Rosales.
This is first time for him to see action. Remember, to his offhand, and then he missed that one.
Alas trying to get a shot on time. Cruz there for the mop-up. Novo Belga due to a suspension after 5 technical fouls in the regular season. Wala rin si Andre Carapot because of COVID protocols.
And ang Batak starts it off with the use of the pick and making a jump shot. And by the way, I'd like to say hi, Bo. You know, Bo and I are good friends. Just like
Definitely,
JR and I are good friends. So I hope that you're resting because they're going to need you in the next couple of games.
They are gonna need Big Bo.
You know, it's funny because Raynor Shine has been consistently in the playoffs for so many years now. Oh!
And Henry Walker and the rest of Raynor Shine lamang ngayon ng 18 points.
Uh-oh.
Dadagdagan pa ni Walker with another 3.
That's very poor defense. The big man that should be right in his face. You cannot give him that space. Ito, marunong gumawa ng paraan ito. Si KJ McDaniel na mag-isa. Oh, nice shot there. Any player from any team. And that's a nice pick.
Kevin, the confidence is on a high. Back-to-back din yung tres ni Alas. He now Do you feel like McDaniels needs to be a little bit more aggressive dito sa third?
There were some games that I thought that when they were started to lose, he's the type of a player. Then when he really sets his mind to it, you know, iba, like here, he's going to attack strong. You see,
and that's what he can get.
When he sets his mind to it, it's different. That's a little bit. I mean, the guy that's defending against you is taller and bigger than you are.
From outside, McDaniels missing Rosales with the board, trying to force it up. Any team has had 100% success in stopping him, and here he is again. Look at how easy that is para sa kanya, Doc J.
And coming off thing out, so you try what do you call this, Mike and Santillan. Nako, libre yan para kay
Paborito rin ni Coach Chris Gavina. Hindi mo nag-spark for them earlier, but this time it's Chris Rosales enjoying a pristine path to the hoop. Pero offensive rebound pa ulit para sa Raynor Shine. Walker working against Kinyahan. He now attacks the paint.
Time to work, sabi nga niya. Time to work. Going to zone right now.
It's McDaniels against Walker underneath. Beautiful move by McDaniels.
Yeah, up and under niya, huli niya with but you know, you couldn't beat Dynamite at the post. He was powerful.
McDaniels again! Powers his way through.
Yan naging problema nila.
Ateneo Blue Eagles. Isa pa nilang kakampi is Mike Nieto. How about Borboran with the tip-in?
Guy has been there so many years already.
Ayo, sabi niya, Alas wants to force the switch. McDaniels going to work here in the third.
No leadership on the part of the Raynor Shine, the last two painters on the floor. That's why I was telling you, they miss Belga a lot.
And that falls in for
Right now, the possibility of NLEX taking the lead with this free throw. Can you imagine? You're down by 22. And all of a sudden, you have the chance to take the lead at the start of the games.
So we'll find out if there are going to be some changes in the next few days. In the meantime, Gabe Norwood. Pero nabigay pa rin naman ni Gabe yun lamang sa Raynor Shine, a solitary point. Nieto, pull up from free throw range.
Back to NLEX ang lamang dito, 75-74.
Nang Batak naman, sasagot.
Movement, good pass.
Cruz, bigay kay Kinyahan. To the corner, Trollano. 3 ball is good for the Dawn. 3-point shot. That's the 8th for the Road Warriors. Ano naman kaya ang sagot ng Rain or Shine? Nambatak naman!
Just lost it on his own. But the shot clock would not go back. But you have the 8 seconds to cross.
Horace with that jumper. He entered the ball game. McDaniels. Wow. This guy has simply been...
Rosales, eh?
Totoo yan with...
His contribution offensively and the way he quarterback.
How about Walker?
Time to work.
Kung 3-point play si McDaniels.
Out. One more technical.
McDaniels hanging in the air again. Wow! He puts his own...
Or was gonna go and he kept his poise there.
1-point lead naman para sa NLEX. Mocon.
3 points attempt.
Walker lines it up. Nambatak gets the ball from outside. Nambatak with a big 3. Si Walker, that would have been big para sa Rain or Shine.
And on the other end, nahuli siya bumaba. Dahil siya nagmintis, nakalimutan niya ng
Yes, also.
Coach Chot.
Lots of storylines, lots of basketball today. May second game pa tayo. KJ McDaniels punishes the rim.
Offensive game this whole conference. But maaasahan mo yan sa mga short jumpers in the end time. Obviously, kung matatanggal mo si Walker, big tournament. Here we go, nice pass. Pero talagang, finally!
Wow! Nagawan pa ng paraan ni Mocon. Alas with 6 seconds on the shot clock. Kinyahan, ginugulo ni Borboran. Oh, basket! And a foul is whistled on Borboran. They have to be careful when it comes to playing defense.
They're going back to the Stingray.
Nambatak! Money on the 3!
We talked about that. 2 out of 6. He has scored 2 more 3-point shots here in the end game.
Ang bibigat ng mga tres na binitawan ni Stingray. Kinyahan! Sasagot naman!
But
You have KJ McDaniels who is difficult to stop when he's on the way to the basket.
these are great 3-point shots made by Nambatak under pressure. But so is this one by JR Kinyahan. And he has gone to figure in close battles.
At wala nang, hindi na pwede mag-delay of game yung Rain or Shine. So
There
they
it is.
get the ball to McDaniels who ties the game up.
But they have the time now. Ngayon, may 4.4 seconds. Still a lot of time to do something. Pero great play yun. Habol ng habol ang Rain or Shine sa mga tao sa labas. And then McDaniel just seals himself up there. I got a mismatch here. And what a great move there.
There were 2 guys in front of McDaniels. May JV Mocon pa nag-abak.
They're good to go to ng Batak here.
No fouls can be taken. Nambatak puts it up. That's a miss.
Going
And we
overtime.
are headed into an extension. Sa sobrang ganda ng laban between NLEX and Rain or Shine, hindi sa pag-game. Almost there for the putback. Nakaagaw si Alas. What a pass. Papunta kay Cruz. Lamang na ngayon ang NLEX.
Okay, very nice.
Winning that jump ball. 6 seconds na lang sa shot clock. Kinyahan, one-hander down the lane.
And that more or less will really just...
In overtime, ang Rain or Shine.
That's a possible 3-point play coming up here for Rain and Batak, but he might have...
It's a really good time for them to wake up. Dahil nga, unti-unti nang lumalayo yung NLEX at palapit na rin tayo sa dulo ng overtime.
Yeah.
Now ng Batak has a chance na gawin tong just
Two possession
a
game.
2-possession game. Pero Doc J, yung Rain or Shine, bago yan tirang yan, they were 0 for 6. Mocon will
That's
not
it.
hit anything there at doon na nga matatapos. And Alas will enjoy a layup.
Masakit na naman ito kaya sa Rain or Shine. How many opportunities to win? And you have a big lead like that and you lose it.
And a big win para sa NLEX, 109-100.